guys, doing a barbell hip thrust is a great exercise, so I want to give you some tips on how to do it correctly. And I also want to show you how you can do the same movement with using just a resistance band, just in case you don't have a barbell or if the gym's really busy. So what you'll do first is you'll roll that bar right over your hips, and you want to get your bench or your box right across your shoulders. You don't want to be in the middle of your back, and you don't want it to be up by your neck. Once you do that, you're going to pull your feet in, and you want to focus on pressing up through your heels, not in your toes. So I actually like to lift up my toes off the ground. When you get here, you can hold onto the bar to keep it secure, and you're gonna tuck your chin. Then I'm pushing up through my heels, and I'm squeezing my glutes at the top, and I'm letting it down nice, slow, and controlled. You don't wanna get to the top and then just let that weight fall down. You wanna control it all the way up, squeeze, and all the way back down while controlling your knees so that they don't cave in. Now I wanna show you how you can set up the same thing using just a resistance band and a bench. So if you have a basic bench, you can just put your resistance band over the bench so it's attached to both sides of the legs. From here, you'll pull that band down, and you're gonna either put your foot just on one side depending on how much resistance you want, and from there, you'll get down again, placing that bench right across your shoulders, pressing up through your heels, and holding that band into place. You wanna hold it there so it doesn't roll up. You can also do it by adding more resistance and pushing that band, the other side of that band, over your hips. Now, if you don't have a bench and you just have a band, I'll show you what you can do. So if you only have a band, what you can do is you can hold your band just like this, and you'll loop it on your heel. Now, it's so important that you're pressing through your heel so this band doesn't slide out. You'll do the same thing on your other heel. You'll hold that band right in place over your hips and press up, squeezing those glutes, and you don't have to worry about your shoulder placement because it's just flat on the ground. So that's what you can do if you don't have a barbell. Make sure you guys check out the rest of my videos on my channel, subscribe, and give it a comment.